Okay, student, I will check your attendance first. Asia, Mario, Dea Deka, M. Fadil, Afifa, Brian, Mika, Gerasela, Dea Nabila, G. Hansen, Rido, Ejitia, Afifa, Dia Janati, M. Reza, Bayu, Syahlevi, Asia, Anissa, Vina, Melia. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you today? I hope all of you fine. Before we start our lesson today, we will pray together. Pray begin. Finish. For today's activity, I will divide you into several groups. You can see your partner in your WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am.
I want to ask you about the material that we discussed last meeting. Who knows what is the material?
Procedure text.
Yes, that's very good. We have discussed a little description about procedure text. Today, you will learn about the complete of procedure text. Okay, my student, I will share to you. Look at the picture first. Do you see the picture?
Yes. Belum, ma'am.
When you see the picture, what do you think of this picture? What is this picture?
Resep tentang resipi.
According to you, what is the picture? There is a picture there?
Nasi goreng.
Yes, you are right. It is a recipe about how to make fried rice atau nasi goreng. Okay, from the picture, what is number 1?
I.
Go, ma'am.
Okay, let's see the pictures. From the first one, what is the number 1 is about?
Aduh.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. It is gold. How about number 2? What is it?
Material.
Yes, that's material. How about number 3? What is it?
Step.
Okay, that's very good. There are several steps now. I want you to open that LKPD that I sent to you in your group. And from the picture, please answer the question for the activity 1. I give you 2 minutes to do that activity. Okay, have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's very good. Now, we will continue our activity for the next. I will give you a video that I sent to you in your WhatsApp group too. You can see the picture, the video first.
Sudah, ma'am.
Okay, student, do you see the video? This is procedure text.
Belum ada audio, ma'am.
Language features and kind of procedures.
Ada, ma'am.
Procedure text is a bit of
Finishing.
that give us instructions.
Belum, ma'am.
Generic structure of procedure text is goal, material, and steps. Social function of procedure text is to tell how to do
Yeah.
one step. Language features of procedure text is using simple present tense, imperative word, action verb, conjunction, and adverb. Kinds of procedure is manual, recipe, and human behavior. Thank you. Okay, my student, have you watched the video? Okay, student, if you have watched the video, I want you and your partner to do the activity 2 from your LKPD and fill the question with the information from the video. Have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. Okay, student, what is the topic of the text?
Check, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. The text is about procedure text. How about the generic structure of procedure text? Who knows?
Goal, material.
Good job. How about the language features of procedure text? Who knows the language features?
Simple present tense, imperative word, action verb, conjunction, adverb.
Okay, well done. I love it. Okay, how about the sample of procedure text that we discussed in this meeting?
And recipe.
Yeah, that's good. It is about manual and recipe. Well, for this meeting, we will just discuss about recipe first. For manual, it will be discussed in our next meeting. We have discussed about this topic. I want you to answer the LKPD for the second activity. I will give you 2 minutes to do that activity. Have you finished? Okay, student. For the next activity, I will give you a sample of picture. I want you and your friend to analyze the picture and also make the result of discussion to fill the LKPD third and fourth activity. Okay? Can you? Okay, look at this. Can you see the picture? What kind of this picture?
Recipe, ma'am.
Yes, that's right. It is recipe. To make it easy to understand, you can use mind mapping strategy from the main topic and also make the subtopic bottom of the main topic. Have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Good job. Okay, if you have finished, I want you and your partner present your result of discussion in front of your group or in front of another group.
Yes.
Okay, from the first,
Yes.
I want group 1 to present their result of discussion. What is the goal of the text? Okay, group 1, time is yours.
Procedure about how to make eggy bread fingers.
Yes, that's right. It is a procedure about how to make eggy bread fingers. Okay, thank you, group 1. How about group 2? Do you know what is the material that we need to make egg bread fingers?
Egg, milk, smell of bread and butter.
Okay, that's very good. Thank you, group 2. How about third group? Third group, how many steps are there in that recipe?
7.
Well done. There is 7 steps in that recipe. Okay, you have present about the result of discussion. Now, fill the LKPD from third and fourth activity. Have you finished? Okay, student, who knows the first step of that recipe?
Break the egg into a swallow dish, add the milk and whisk together.
Okay, that's right. Thank you, Hansen. There are several steps in that recipe. 7 steps. Okay. Please mention the first step of the recipe.
Cut each slice of bread into fingers.
Okay, good job. Thank you. Okay, there are several steps to make eggy bread fingers, from the first until the last when it's ready to serve. Students, from this activity, you can fill the answer to the third and fourth activity in your LKPD. Student, for the next activity, I will evaluate your information about the material with the post test. The link of post test I will sort to you in your WhatsApp group. Please answer the question. Well, for the last activity, we have conclusion about the material that we discussed today. I want one of you to make the conclusion about the material. Okay, please, one of you to conclude the activity.
Yes, ma'am. Producer text. Definition text that tell how to make something or how to do something. Generic goal, material, step. Language feature, simple, present tense, imperative word, action verb, conjunction, adverb.
Okay, thank you. I just add the conclusion from this activity. We have learned about procedure text. It is about definition, generic structure, language features, and also kind of procedure. For the generic structure, there is goal, material, and step. Language features, it is use simple present tense, imperative word, action verb, and also conjunction and adverb. After you do this activity, I want you fill the LKPD for the 5th and 6th activity. If you have finished, you can submit that LKPD to your WhatsApp group or to my account at peterlupiani@gmail.com. Okay, student, to closing our meeting today, I want all of you to pray first. Pray, begin. Finish. Okay, thanks for your attention. Thanks for your participation today. I hope all of you always do the health protocol and also avoid the crowded place and take care of your health. Okay? Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.